guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and welcome to Cheryl the Foodie Chatter. Today we are going to make some pizza. It's a pizza day for me today. But we're going to use healthier version of pizza. We're going to use cauliflower as a crust. This is perfect for those who are doing some keto diet, and this is a keto pizza, so it's very healthy and it's still good. It's very good. So let's go check it out how it's made. So before we're going to start our cooking, let's go over on our ingredients. So for our main ingredients, we are going to use fresh cauliflower. We probably need at least 2 cups of this. So I guess that's half of this cauliflower. We have 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, few slices of pepperoni, chopped red onions, black olives slices, fresh creamy white mushroom slices, thinly sliced, few pieces of chicken leftovers. That's what I'm using right now, a leftover chicken. Hot pepper pickles. You can skip this if you don't like hot peppers. I'm using here tomato paste for the pizza sauce instead of pizza sauce actually. So you can use either this or the regular pizza sauce or the pasta sauce, but right now what I have is tomato paste and some fresh basil leaves. So any of those ingredients, if you don't like it, you can skip some, except you don't want to skip the cauliflower, of course. And we're also going to need 2 eggs. Also gonna need a few slices of tomatoes, and also we're going to need a pizza tray and lined with parchment paper. It is much easier to remove the pizza crust when you have this liner on it. So yeah, there you go. We're going to preheat our oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit before we start preparing our stuff, so it's going to be ready when we're done. So next thing we're going to do is to shred our cauliflower. We're gonna slice this into half. We're going to need at least 2 cups of cauliflower. So we'll put this aside. We're just going to spread the other half. It's a little bit messy, but that's alright. We can clean it up after. There you go, guys. This is it. It's done. Okay, it's all nice and fine. No big pieces, so that should be good. Now let's mix it up with some eggs and cheese to make a crust. So this is how our cauliflower looks like right now. It's very finely shredded. So we're going to mix this up with some eggs and cheese to make a crust. Let's beat our 2 eggs first. We can go ahead and add our cauliflower, shredded cauliflower. Two cups mozzarella cheese. What we need to do is just mix it up with our bare hands. My hands is clean, I washed it. Just mix it all up. There you go. we're going to transfer it into our pizza tray lined with parchment paper. Then we're going to press it on all the sides to make it nice and even and flat. There you go. So here's our cauliflower crust. So we're going to bake this at least 15 minutes. So it's going to be nice and firm before we add all the rest of our ingredients. So yeah, we'll wait till this one is ready and we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Okay guys, our pizza crust is nice and ready, nicely set. Now we can go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients, the sauce, the toppings, and everything else. And then we'll stick it back into the oven for another 15 minutes or until everything is nice and cooked. Thank you all so much for watching my video. Hope you like this recipe and give this a try. It's really good, easy and tasty and healthy. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and press the notification down below to get notified for more of my videos. Hope everybody is doing well and have a good day. Take care and see you again next time. Bye!